Hey YouTube, Christian Pepper Gal here, and I'm doing something a little bit different with this video. I'm actually down in the Ozark Mountains visiting my son, who just recently purchased land there, and he's building a homestead. So I came down to give him a little encouragement and a little help, and maybe even practice a few of my bushcraft skills. So what I want to do today is I'd like to take you along on a tour of his new homestead. So why don't you come along with me? Here we have the view from around the campsite where I normally sit and just enjoy God's beautiful country and the nature that He created. So as you can see, we're surrounded by forest and trees and a beautiful blue sky. Here we have the fire pit, which we have used to cook one meal in the week that I've been here. It's really just been too hot and humid to cook over the campfire. And here you see down on the left there's a raised vegetable garden, and then to the middle there are trees that he has felled and debarked, or whatever the proper term is. Then we have solar panels, and there is a satellite dish. Here we've got the foundation area that he's digging out all kinds of bedrock the foundation area for his cabin, that is. There's a lot of that bedrock in there, and he's been working at digging that out to put in a storm shelter and a little storage area for the cabin itself. And here we are coming up on a it's not a storage shed. It's just a shed that he has built. You can see that he's using the trees that he has felled, the smaller ones, for the bottom portion of it. He didn't have it finished before the rain started, so he had to put tarp over it to protect everything that's inside. And we're coming to a rock wall that he built in his driveway area, and that's using some of the rocks that he cut up out of the basement area for the log cabin. And this is the stairway that he built so I would have an easier time getting up and down when I came to visit. And he also used the logs that he felled to build that little wooden wall by the rock wall. And there's his dog Chase, and the stairway again, which really works nice for me. Now we're coming up on his outside work area, where he works on whatever it is that guys work on. I have no clue. And now we will take a look at the RV that he's staying in while he builds the cabin, and that I've been staying in with him. One good thing about the RV is on the really hot and humid days, I get to go inside and turn on the air conditioning. But I'm really trying to rough it and stay outdoors as much as I can. Now we have the back side from where the fire pit is, and that's some wood that he has for some walls and whatever. And this is just another part of this is what's behind us when we sit at the fire pit. There's a little trail up there that he takes and goes around the property, where he actually has 10 acres here, and it is just beautiful. And there's a view of the sky again. It was a beautiful day today when I filmed this. And we're back to the satellite dish, and there's the fire pit again, and there's a chair that I sit in occasionally. And I really just wanted to try and give you a little bit of a close-up picture of the logs. Those are cedar logs that he has felled. The majority of the trees in the area are cedar trees, and I love to just sit and admire those trees. They are so beautiful inside the core of them. Well, there you have it for the tour of the land. And I'm hoping to do a couple of more bushcraft type videos for you as I practice some of my bushcraft skills while I'm here visiting my son. So thank you for joining me with the tour today, and I'm glad you came along. Please click on like if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be informed of all the upcoming videos. Thank you very much, and until next time, happy prepping and God bless.